Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to switch between desktop view and mobile view inside your Google Chrome browser. So there is an extension, Google Chrome extension, that you can directly install, mobile view switcher. It's got almost 1,000 users, almost 1 lakh users. The rating is also good. I have personally tried this for 6 weeks and I've given the link in the description of the video. Simply go to this and first of all, let me just start from scratch. You simply, once you want to simply open Google Chrome extensions, go to the extensions and simply type mobile view switcher. This is the Google Chrome extension. If you search, this extension will come. Click on add to Chrome. Once you add this extension, the extension will be added, and let me just activate this extension. So it is appearing mobile view switcher. So now once you go to a website, it's very simple. Let's suppose I want to go to google.com. So by default it opens in my desktop computer. I'm using a laptop. Now if I want to use the mobile view, I simply toggle on this button. As I toggle, it will now open the mobile version of google.com. So now as you see, the interface has completely changed, and now this is mobile version of google.com. It automatically inserts these characters in the search bar, and now if I try to open, so this is mobile version, as you can see right here. You can try this with any URL. This extension is very useful. It saves me a lot of time because many a time you do need to get to the mobile version. So this extension is very much easy. Again, when you click on this button, again is switch to desktop version. So basically you can switch between mobile and desktop by a single click. Click on that button and it switches between mobile and desktop. You can try this with any website, not google.com. Just open any website that you want to view this mobile version. So this is my website, freemediatools.com. If I want to see how it looks on mobile phones, I simply toggle this, again toggle this. So this is actually the mobile version. So in this easy way guys, simply toggle this and you can open youtube.com as well. So once you click on this, so now it will open the mobile version of youtube.com very easily by a single click. So this is a Google Chrome extension guys. I have given the link. Definitely install this.